In number 11, I need my first term to have an x plus 2 in the denominator. And I need my second term to have an x minus 1. So this becomes 4 times x plus 2 over x minus 1 times x plus 2 minus 2 times x minus 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 2. You're going to subtract across your numerators. I'll distribute as I go. So this is 4x plus 8 minus 2x plus 2, because that'll be negative 2 times negative 1, all over x minus 1 times x plus 2. So when you simplify this down, this becomes 2x plus 10 over x minus 1 times x plus 2. In number 12, whenever you have this scenario, remember, factor out a negative, because this is the same as saying negative x plus 2. So this becomes 4 over x minus 2 plus x over negative x minus 2. Well, that negative just makes the whole fraction negative. So this is really 4 over x minus 2 minus x over x minus 2. So I have the common denominator. I subtract across my numerators, and my denominator stays the same. This can also be written as negative x minus 4 over x minus 2. But either answer is acceptable. In number 13, we need to factor the denominator. So this is going to factor into x plus 3 times x minus 7. So my first term needs an x plus 3. So this becomes x plus 3 times x plus 2 over x plus 3 times x minus 7. My second term already has x plus 3 times x minus 7. And I have x squared plus 4x plus 13. So I'm going to distribute my numerator here when I add across the top. So this will be x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 over x plus 3 times x minus 7 plus x squared plus 4x plus 13 over x plus 3 times x minus 7. So I have x squared plus x squared is 2x squared. 2x plus 3x is 5x, plus 4x gives me 9x, and 6 plus 13 gives me 19, all over x plus 3 times x minus 7. Now you always attempt to factor the numerator, But here you're looking for two numbers that would multiply to give you 38, but add to give you positive 9. When you think about the factors of 38, you have 1 and 38, or 2 and 19. Beyond that, you don't have anything else that you can combine, and neither one of these will create a positive 9. So this is an unfactorable quadratic across the top, and this is as far as you can go. And number 14, if I factor my denominators so I can see what I'm working with, my first term has an x and an x minus 5, but doesn't have a 5. And my second term has a 5 and an x minus 5, but needs an x. So this is going to become, I'm going to multiply this first term, top and bottom, by 5. And I'm going to multiply the second term, top and bottom, by x. So this becomes 25 over 5x times x minus 5 minus x squared over 5x times x minus 5. I have 25 minus x squared over 5x times x minus 5. Well, if I factor a negative out of the top, this is negative x squared minus 25 over 5x times x minus 5. Well, this is a difference of squares, so it factors. This is negative x plus 5 times x minus 5 over 5x times x minus 5. Well, now I have a common factor in the top and the bottom. So this becomes negative x plus 5 over 5x. In number 15, I'm going to factor the denominators. So this is x plus 3 times x minus 1. This is x minus 1 times x minus 4. So this has the x minus 1, but no x minus 4. And this has the x minus 1, but no x plus 3. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom of my first term by x minus 4. And I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom of my second term by x plus 3. When I do that, this gives me x times x minus 4 over x minus 1 times x plus 3 times x minus 4 minus x times x plus 3 over x minus 1 times x plus 3 times x minus 4. So this will be x squared minus 4x minus x squared minus 3x all over x minus 1 times x plus 3 times x minus 4. So I have positive x squared and negative x squared. And this leaves me with negative 7x over x minus 1 times x plus 3 times x minus 4.